Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Solve. Ever feel like you are about to explode? We were all been there. Anger is a complete normal emotion. But when it takes control, it can cause big problems in our lives. Today we will learn some awesome tricks to become an anger master and keep you cool. So, our today's topic is how to control your anger. We will explore how to identify your anger triggers, take calming timeouts, use cool down techniques, and even talk yourself down from a meltdown. The anger volcano. Imagine, anger is like a volcano. Deep down inside, there is a pool of hot lava. That's your frustration bubbling away. Little things can act like a triggers. A bad day, someone cutting you off in a traffic, or something else that can trigger you. If you don't control it, the anger builds up. This can make you erupt. This can lead to yelling, fighting, or saying things you regret. Now let's come to some steps that can help you to control your anger. Step 1. Detect your trigger points. So, how do we stop the volcano from erupting? The first step is becoming a detective. We need to identify our triggers, those things that makes us want to blow our top. Is it traffic that makes you see red? Maybe a messy room drives you crazy, or a rude classmate pushes your buttons. By figuring out your triggers, you can be prepared for them. Let's say, traffic jam sets you off. You can play ahead by leaving earlier or finding alternative routes. By avoiding triggers or having a plan to deal with them, you can keep the volcano from rumbling in the first place. Step 2. Take a timeout. Now, when you feel the volcano starts to rumble, it's time for a timeout. Remove yourself from the situation. Take a deep breath and imagine you are inhaling calming blue air and exhaling hot red anger. Deep breathing are like a magic. They help slow your heart rate and calm your body down. Bonus tip: counting to 10 while you breathe can also help you a moment to cool down. By the time you reach 10, the heat of the moment might start to fade and you will be able to approach the situation more calmly. Step 3. Try to cool down yourself. Do you want to take your relaxation skills to the next level? We have got cool down techniques to help you become a superhero of calmness. Splash some cold water on your face for a quick refresh. Listen to calm music to soothe your mind, or take a moment to doodle and let your anger melt away on a paper. Bonus tip: find a cool down techniques that work best for you. Experiment and see what helps you relax the most. Step 4. Talk to yourself. I can handle this. Now, here's the secret weapon. Talk to yourself nicely. Use positive self-talk. Tell yourself things like, I can handle this, or this isn't the end of the world. Focus on calming yourself down, not getting yourself more worked up. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place to cool off, maybe a quiet mountain top or a sunny beach. Bonus tip: instead of focusing on what makes you anger, try reframing the situation in a more positive light. Maybe the rude classmate is just having a bad day. Maybe the messy room is an opportunity to clean and feel organized. Step 5. Express yourself calmly. Once you calm down, it's okay to express your feelings, but do it in the healthy way. If something is bothering you, talk to the person involved calmly and respectfully. Explain how their actions made you feel. Use I statements to avoid sounding accusatory. For example, say, I feel frustrated when, instead of, you always make me. By communicating calmly and respectfully, you might be surprised at how much better you feel and how much easier it is to resolve the situation. Step 6. Practice makes perfect. Remember, controlling anger is a skill, and like any skills, it takes practice. Try using these techniques every day, even when you are not feeling angry. The more you practice, the better you become at controlling your anger and keeping your mind cool. So, there you have it. With a little detective work, some cool down techniques and positive self-talk, you too can become an anger master. Thanks for watching Quick Solve. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Quick Solve videos.